topic is how to talk to your doctor, because this is something which came out of patient safety, which they said that we need to create a rapport with the doctor. The doctors have also agreed that they need to be more compassionate with the patients. Now, how do we get together? Since today's group is mostly comprising of patients, we thought it would be nice to know our rights and our responsibilities. So we'll touch upon these topics. We will not go into depth like Mr. Ladder suggested. We will go into depth in the future meetings. But what are these things that we need to know when we go and talk to our doctor? Let it be a discussion. Actually, these will just help us to discuss the points. These are very structured points. These are very, very structured points. Our consultation with the doctor may not go in the same order as these look like, but these are a lot of guidelines these are covering a lot of points which we need to talk and find out from the doctor when we go. Ultimately, our goal is to get the best treatment and treat it well and get well. Unfortunately, in the process of getting well, we have come across a lot of issues where it's getting digressed because I forgot something, I forgot to ask something, doctor forgot to tell me something, the doctor did not explain properly to me, or I forgot, when I entered I did not understand what the doctor was saying. So these are broadly the very basic points which will help us or anybody who goes to a doctor. 2 days back I had a discussion on the same topic with cancer patients at Tata Memorial Hospital, where they have all gone through meeting doctors much more than what we would have ever gone through in our lives, and they also found these points very helpful, and they have asked us to give them a checklist which they will always carry for the consultations. So if it's important to them, I think it's important to everybody, so it's worth discussing it. So first of all, I think we should start with having a good relationship with the doctor. Do you all agree? How do we get to that? The doctor never agrees to a good relationship.
The main point, whether doctor can give that much time to us.
Whether doctor can give that much time.
Because if he gives only 5 minutes because of the patient waiting outside,
okay,
then even in 5 minutes it is very difficult to...
In 5 minutes it is difficult to explain everything.
What the doctor's clinic should have a questionnaire for every patient.
Questionnaire for every...
should be with the patient that he goes to private, and the patient should also... See, the patient should also itemize his problems.
Yeah, specific.
We'll come to that.
He wants to.
We are coming to that in the slides. Yes.
You can have a relationship only with your family doctor at the most, because for that doctor you usually go. But if you go to specialist, you will never have it. You are never interested how much you are going to pay.
Okay.
How much he will make me pay.
How much he will make you pay. Okay. So now as our responsibility, now how do we overcome all this? Like Mr. Mungre said that we have only 5 minutes. 5 minutes is I think 15 minutes is a good time to say. Huh? Sorry? Patient should be satisfied. How do we get to that satisfaction level now? We have to also be smart. How do we get smart?
By preparing ourselves before going to the doctor.
Yes.
It's very important. We have to come prepared.
We have to come prepared.
With points.
Correct.
Specific points.
Because doctor...
Then I think I should skip this slide.
So you come prepared with your points.
With your symptoms, maybe written base.
I will give you all the points. I'll give you all some stickers which will help you to list down the points. Now, so often we go to a doctor, and have you ever asked the doctor, how are you? The first thing you ask is, how are you? That will start the doctor being open to you. Now we have to overcome our problems, right? Quickly, we ask the doctor, how are you? So that becomes a starting point to your maintaining a good relation to a new doctor. You said family doctor, of course, उसको तो backslap करेगा कैसा है तो चल जाएगा, but Here we have to start. Because we don't know how many times we are going to meet them. So your relationship with your doctor, including how well you talk with affects your care. It really affects your care because then once you develop a rapport with the doctor, you find that a lot of things become easier, it gets smooth sailing. A good relationship where you and your doctor share information and work together to make the best decisions about your health will result in the best health care. Now how do we go about this? Like each one of you has said, be prepared. Now how do we be prepared? There are some structured points here. The best way to make the most of your limited time is to come to your appointment prepared. Write down all your questions. So it takes that 10 minutes for yourself before meeting a doctor to think what you will say. Be prepared when you go inside. For an exam, how do we prepare ourselves? We know all our points are 30 points to get our 30 marks. But here, we need to, it's about our health. So we have to take out that little bit time to prepare ourselves with the questions. Make and bring a list of symptoms. Now sometimes, we are all educated, but there are a lot of people, who go to the doctor and they will ramble on. But in the process they forget the real point. So suppose they have a real pain in the shoulder which is really affecting them so badly, but they will go on to say, last week I had fever and I had cold and I had flu. The doctor has really no clue to where to begin your diagnosis process. So make a list of your symptoms so that it's easy to, because then you're saving time. Again, it's all about time. You're saving your time with the doctor. And he will appreciate it because if he thinks that you are there to save his time, he'll definitely want to help you out in a better manner.
Not always.
Not always.
But it's my practice.
Haan.
Whenever I go, I have 2 pages, all my case history. Right from the beginning when I started diabetes. Tell me something. I don't have time. There are also facts.
It's a two-way process.
Yeah, it's a two-way process. I can even suggest you, instead of 2 pages, just show him some 5 bullet points.
Only important points only.
5 essays. वो डर जाएगा 20 point
This test done. What was the result of this? All that. I'm aware of it. Whenever I go, I do that. But very few doctors also very good. Very good.
Yeah, they like it. Nowadays, modern doctors really like if you go prepared. Then bring a list of the medicines you take. Sometimes some people, they need to actually carry the strips which they are taking because there are some doses and all given on the strips. It's good to carry an empty packet also to show the doctor कि look, this is what. But cut short, instead of thinking, oh, मुझे लगता है ये है, but it's not this. No, I think it's that. So it confuses and creates, So what it will result in is the doctor giving you something that he thinks is right for you. But you will say, no, like, look, it was this. So without spending time and wanting to explain to the doctor what you're trying to say, which medicine you're trying to say, carry the thing with you, the strip, or write it down. Because हम लोग के साथ भी होता है कि कोई doctor will say which antibiotic, how many mg, then will say, oh my god, 250 था कि 500, I don't know. So why not just go prepared with that?
But we have many medicines with the same composition, but because the different pharmaceutical companies are manufacturing it, the names are different. So it is very important that you carry this strip, because then your doctor knows what medicine is thinking. Is that composition already being taken by you, or it needs to add?
Right. Correct.
Like I did thyroid medicine. There are 2 types of which I can tell you right away. One is Atroxin, one is Thyroid. Now my doctor writes Atroxin. I ask him, is Thyroid okay with you? He puts a slash and he writes Thyroid. Because he is used to with Atroxin, but I'm like, Thyroid, what is okay about it?
Yeah.
But it was only when I took the bottle and I showed him
Correct.
and understand that okay, the girl is all
It will also show him the dose that you're taking. Yeah.
And then he keeps on adjusting.
Correct.
He was okay with it.
And it is we who will have to tell the doctor, look, we are on this dose at present.
And sometimes they will prescribe the same one because the medical fraternity, the salesman, force them to do that. If you need cheaper alternative is available. Option is available.
Yeah.
That is one important point actually I want to
Everywhere is going on.
that in many a time we have right to ask the doctor, is there any
Cheaper version.
considering the effectiveness same, is there any cheaper medicine? Because that is our right.
This we had discussed in the previous meeting where we had said preventing medication errors. We had discussed this point in the last meeting. If you see the minutes of the last meeting on your email, it will be mentioned.
No, this is not a medical error.
So this is preventing.
Intentionally they would
Yeah,
like to
yeah.
support that pharmaceutical.
But then we would like it. We would like to put it this way that okay, please cut down on these things. So arrive early.
There's also sometimes they give you a series of tests. You have to go, you go for one thing, then you take an X-ray of this and take a blood test and this and that.
You know
I'm coming to that.
what a
We'll talk about that.
pathologist told me, pathologist doctor was a very good friend of mine. He said, when your doctor sends you for a test,
Yeah.
very often the pathological laboratory calls the doctor back and asks him, what do you want me to mention in the test, so that he can give you that line of view, which is a very dangerous thing. And it is a fact.
But and also there is a nexus.
Of course, the nexus is 40%. Nexus is 40% of the way.
Right, whatever you think, right, nexus between path labs and doctors.
Lecture, I asked the same question. Now it is generally recommended that you should not carry out your chest X-ray within the 3 months once you do it.
Yeah.
So then why not laboratory also? It's a moral responsibility. They do the package.
Correct.
You see, if your other symptoms, everything is okay, and only if it needs to carry out that particular X-ray, then only you include in the
So that is the
otherwise it is not really
that has
required.
become the thing. You go for throat pain, then you take chest X-ray, this X-ray, that X-ray.
Today your medical in
Ultrasound.
India suffers from the maximum malpractices at all.
Yes, so we have to be the
And basically it is up to the citizens to point it out and put
especially
force on the
ultrasound,
government.
MRI, CT scan, things that cost 5,000 and 10,000.
Why I have these details, why that information comes to me, because my family owns Jaslo. Otherwise this information never goes out.
I know one doctor said that suddenly he got a reimbursement, the amount of nearly 25,000. He said, how did this come? They said, you sent all the tests. You were gracious enough to have, returned it, say, give it to the poor. So there's an automatic understanding of this test.
Last time, Dr. Harkar had, that was the that I talked about. And Dr. Harkar had come and he explained the system of the government said exactly what I was talking about. That is actually sent all those links and videos that Dr. Harkar spoke. Considering he's been on both the sides as Dr.
The links have been sent out on the email. If you're all on the email
You
IDs,
know how to address this problem. Yeah. How to, when the doctor goes too far, how the patient has to talk. What
So the main fallacy is we are not the expert
Yeah.
in saying that this test is not required. Because see, nexus and all this is a separate issue.
Yeah, yeah.
But if we see really, because I want to point out one case recently happened to my relative. She was having this urine infection and blood passed through urine.
Yeah.
So it was severe, so we admitted her to the hospital. So overnight they conducted test, then ultimately everything test was done and all these things. Then they suggested some tests. Then they said, then we asked, okay, first then they said because of something, because of stone also, urine blood may pass through urine.
Yeah.
Then after conducting one test, second test, then they said, do our test.